3 hours late. It's tough. It's a rough one. But we're almost there.
Oh, look, it's a friendly sign.
Woo, there's a sign right there, boy. Is this the entrance?
Right here.
This is it?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, trailer brakes.
Oh, it's closed.
See? Fuck you guys.
That's how we got in last time, though. They opened it for us.
Oh. The firm.
Push the red button.
The red button?
Good morning, welcome to the farm. This is how can I help you?
Hi, we're supposed to be here for a driving event.
All right, I'll get the gate for you.
Thank you so much.
This is sick.
It is cool.
Okay, so we just drove 3 hours to the firm. I don't even know where in Florida we are, but we're in the middle of nowhere. And the firm is an actual track. It's mainly used for autocross, but we're allowed to drift it, even though Adam says it's not like the most drift-friendly track, but still gonna be a blast, still gonna be fun, and I'm just excited to be here, even though I haven't slept in 4 days. But the E30 is still having a pretty big issue with the gas slosh, and it looks like the gas tank's actually leaking, which might explain why the issue's worse. So I'm gonna hopefully be able to diag it before we start driving. If not, just fingers crossed that it works. All right, so I didn't have anyone to film for me, but I just did a quick, I just did 2 laps to see the course. Now I just need to learn the distances of everything, because it's very slow, then very fast, and very slow, then very tight, and so it's really easy to build speed and to go off course if you don't know a corner. So let's try and link up as much of it. It's only half the track you could really drift. Everything else, you can kind of drift, but it's not really right. But that's good enough for me. Now let's see. We're gonna have LZ come with me, and he's probably gonna critique everything I do.
Ew, my neck.
All right, so I don't know the course, so there's gonna be a lot of e-brake. What? I said I don't know the course, so I use a lot of e-brake when I don't know.
I'm sorry, all I heard is, I'm a bitch.
That is a fact. Grab that camera. Let's show TJ how to do it.
Oh, you only wanted me to ride with you to film.
Yeah, I'm using you.
Oh.
Oh, this?
I noticed it a lot.
Oh yeah, you haven't been in since the S52.
I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a difference.
Oh, isn't it crazy?
Yeah.
It's before it was enough power to do what you had to do, but now there's enough power you could get jiggy with it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I feel you, my guy.
My guy. I don't really know the depth of these ones yet, and they're really tight, so. Where is it? Not bad, right?
Very good.
Thank you. I'm really happy I just linked that whole entire thing.
I was kind of concentrated on filming, not on your driving, so I don't have any critiques, but it felt good.
Thank you. I'm really impressed with myself. That was my 4th lap out. So.
All jokes aside, can we go back? Because my neck actually really hurts.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Alright, so I know it's kind of hard to see from in-car footage stuff. Trust me, I'm buying myself a pile of GoPros for Christmas. I've been saying it all season. So it's not easy to link the whole thing, but luckily the E30 dive bombs so well. It's just amazing, especially with the S52. It's just the perfect combo. Now the only downfall of today is I'm gonna run out of tires really quick. So we took like an hour break to give Adam some time to do some autocrossing in his cool cars, and now we're gonna go back out and have some fun.
Alright.
I got a special guest, the Showmanator.
What's up, dudes?
What's up, man?
This is tiny.
Are you ready for your first E30 experience?
Yeah, I am.
I love like you're a Nissan guy, right? Well, so Showman has a 240.
Yep, 1JZ, you know.
And so I'm about to change your life, man.
All right,
About to change your life.
let's do it. I probably look really funny in this helmet too.
You always look really funny.
Thanks.
What is it?
That's so much torque! Holy crap! Dude!
Isn't this thing sick?
That's crazy! What the hell?
What do you think?
That's so good! I'm shocked! I can't believe it!
Thing just floats,
Dude,
right?
dude, it just goes like it's just the wheel speed's perfect.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's crazy. Wow.
I tried.
You got it. Get on him.
I got too excited.
Oh, we had it.
I tried. I held on for too long.
Oh man, that was good.
Oh man.
Woo! You
wanna
realize
do
you just kept up with the FD level car almost. So.
Almost. So we had a lunch intermission, and TJ's gonna go for a ride along with me.
I couldn't hold it again. Yeah, well, running out of time.
I know. What time? TJ has to go to the airport in like an hour. All right, 12 minutes, and TJ's about to get his mind blown.
And then yeah.
And then you're gonna buy an E30 and change your whole life.
Debatable.
Cares.
Whoa, holy moly. Wait, is this the same lens from last year that you're like, oh, I dropped it and I can't get the filter off?
Yeah.
Wow, it's still broken.
You remember that?
I do.
You remember that?
You still haven't fixed it?
No.
Okay. You fixed a lot of things, but you still haven't fixed it. I saw it and I was like, I remember that being really beat up last year.
It doesn't zoom. I tried.
It doesn't zoom? Is that the 10-day team?
Yeah, that's stuck on 12.
Don't worry, guys. Jimmy says he's gonna get a new GoPro for next year.
Yeah,
Which next
TJ's
year-
gonna give me it for Christmas.
Next year's in 2 weeks.
Ah,
So-
shit, I gotta budget myself.
So, all you guys gotta do, click the link down below in the description and shop.jimmyoaks.com and get and get it today. You can use code TJ to save yourself 10% off a discount. Jimmy, that's what you're gonna do it because you get sales.
For the next 7 days.
For the next 7 days, if you use code TJ, you'll get 10% off at checkout. And
what are you doing now? All right.
and 1 in every 50 orders will get a free sticker autographed by Jimmy.
That's easy. Yeah, that's fair. That's very fair.
There,
Yeah, there we
see?
go. Yeah.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Let's go have some fun. All right. Well, TJ's too cool for me, so we're gonna take Garrett with us, or latest the internet. What do we call you on the internet? Dale. Yeah. Okay. Dale it is.
Dude, finally a vehicle with some room in it.
Right, dude. That's why I love this thing.
All these people have some small vehicles.
It's tall boy friendly. That's my favorite part.
Hello.
Oh, that's for me. Thank you. We don't want any. Sorry, there's a lot of spam lately. All right, let's see. I let Patty Cakes take it out. He put a lot of flat spots on these tires, so.
Who?
Pat.
Oh, Pat.
Yeah.
Well, if there's some left, I'll give her a shot.
All right. I don't know if you can handle all 250 horse.
Woo! Brother.
Film whatever you want.
Okay.
Just straight your knees the whole time.
There were some cool airplanes over there. Alright, this is Jimmy Hobbs showing me the BM Double Eagles.
We'll try our best. Not bad, right?
Dude, that's pretty awesome.
The thing's way faster than it should be.
You can tell she's just wide open. She's
Just trying.
I love it. To drive a slow car. Dude, that was cool, dude.
Yeah, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm down, brother.
Brakes are a little touchy.
Classic BMW stuff. Wow.
Yeah.
Spicy.
No Crown Vic, but let's see what you got.
Ain't no Crown, that's for sure.
Clutch kick. There we go. Yeah!
Yeah!
You went right for it.
I like it. Alright.
This one's a tight one. You got it.
Oh, wheat spinning. Okay. Okay, I feel it. I saw how fast you entered this earlier. I don't know if I can.
Yeah, no, I went aggressive.
It was pretty spicy.
So
I just expected more angle to come out of it.
all right. You dirt trap the crap out of it, which was pretty dope, but.
Backwards entry.
I saw you with the sauce. I was like, I'm just gonna let him do it.
I thought, dude, I'm just going for it. All right, that was warm up lap.
Dude, you can win. was so good.
Thanks, brother.
Nice work.
Thanks, brother.
I'm really impressed.
We're gonna make this happen on this one, okay? We're going all the way through.
Yeah, I'm already impressed. I'm already impressed.
We're going all the way through. Doing it live, baby. Wait for it!
Oh, there she is.
You're right over there?
Dude, I'm having a great time.
This is a great car, man.
Yeah, how'd you like it?
Good times, good times. Thanks for letting me drive her, baby.
Yeah, of course. Gotta love this dirty 30. I wasn't expecting Cletus to show up today, but I'm happy he got to take out the E30, and I think he loved it. He was wheeling this thing. I was really impressed, and he used up all my tires. So I gotta change. I have some like pull offs that we're gonna throw on and go back and have a couple more laps. And TJ's leaving me. Don't leave me, man. You just stall?
I stalled an automatic. I hope when I see you next, you have a new lens. That's what I hope for.
All right, whatever.
That's it. I think that's doable.
I'm gonna visit you next time, all right?
Yeah, we'll see about that. I'll hold you to that. That's the thing.
All right, if you don't cool guy me.
When have I ever done that?
Never. Later home, I'm gonna miss you.
I shall see you guys soon. I'll be back.
All right, well, there you guys have it. Another video where I basically freak out about how much I love this car and try to get everyone to drive it. And
It's such a good car, dude.
how do you like
So, dude, it's just simple and clean, and that's what I love. And it's very good on camera as well.
I'll have to get you to drive it one day.
Yeah, for sure.
I gotta like put a list in it, like who's driven this thing. But I really wish I wish Showman brought his car so I had someone to drive with. But it was fun just bouncing around, having a good time with everyone. I mean, TJ didn't get to drive it, but Cletus got to drive it, Pat got to drive it, and then I put the camera down the last 2 hours, and Adam got to drive it, and it was just awesome. Everyone loves the car. It's fantastic, and I just can't wait for next season because there's not much I want to do to it, but there is a few things, and I can't wait to get it all done. And I'm just rambling on, but this trip has been absolute. Oh, look at Pat. Look at. You're falling in love with this thing, aren't you? I keep catching you looking at this thing.
It's kind of sweet.
Yeah, you think so?
A little bit.
Just a little bit. Means a lot, but today was the last day of the open house, the LZ open house experience, as I'd call it, and it's been a week to remember. It's been amazing. Thank you guys for keeping up on all the videos and giving me such positive feedback, even though I feel like the videos kind of suck because I haven't slept, but it's been amazing. Huge shout out to LZ and his crew for making this all happen and letting me be a part of it. It's amazing. This is really freaking cool, and huge shout out to Firm for today for letting us come out here and rage all day, private session, unreal. But before I keep talking, I'm just gonna end it. We're gonna sleep at Adam's tonight and then hit the road probably late afternoon because I'm gonna sleep in for once. Thank God. You ready to get some sleep for once or what?
Finally.
Finally.
It's gonna be so good.
So good. But with that, I'm gonna end it so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys probably in a couple days.